Hi YouTube, this is a long time since my last video of building my own anvil. Take a break because my young brothers died at the age of 33 in March, the 2nd of March 2016. So I take a break about building my anvil. So I continue building it, and because my welder, my MIG welder, is just about 140 amp, I wasn't able to weld it all the part together, so I bring all those pieces of steel to a friend, a best friend named Réjean Guillemette, and he make a real good job. So you can see all the welding he done. All around this anvil. Same thing about the other side. So I'm sure that this anvil won't break up when I will hit some piece of metal on it. And thanks Réjean for all these welding parts you made together, and you made a real great job. Now the question is, how many pounds? So I'll take the scale, is at 0. Now I will put the anvil on it. So now we'll see on the scale how many pounds. 220 pounds. 220 pounds exactly. 100 kilos. I think that this anvil will be a good one. 220 pounds exactly. So I think that it will be a real good piece to help me working in blacksmithing. Now I will have to make a stand to put this anvil at the right level, and I'm really happy of it. Yeah. a good beast. £220.